Oh my God, this is it. This is really is it. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa World Trade Center at ngayon ay YouTube Battle 2017. Woo! Thank you po. Thank you. Sila po yung nag-host sa akin pero wala na akong sinabi. So, pasok na tayo. Ay, by the way, thank you po kay Ate Tintin na binigyan niya po ng ticket. Oh my God, it's VIP. Oh my God. Kaya dito na kami ngayon sa loob and sobrang crowded, as in legit, sobrang crowded talaga. So guys, nandito na kami sa loob at gusto niya malaman yung ring light. So, 3, 2, 1. Overexposed. Puti na naman yun. Okay. Ganda ng performance ni Carl. Thank you so much. Colin. Go Samantha and Madeline! So yeah, dito kami sa labas kasi going to eat lunch first kasi sobrang walang rice meal sa loob. So definitely just gonna buy dun sa my trendsetter. Doon kami bibili ng rice meal kasi so hungry, hindi pwedeng walang rice ang chan if papasok ka sa FanFest, okay? Kamusta naman ang experience? Na-enjoy mo ba?
Masaya siya, kaso magulo kasi. Ayun, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Masaya siya pero ang gulo, kaya nakakasya.
So dapat may backstage talaga.
YouTube.
Ayan lang oh, white. VIP lang oh.
Orange. Orange. Sino ba yung orange? Guest ng performer.
Jojo on that beat there, sir.
Kaya man. I'm with Angelo again.
Yeah. If you see his camera in real life, it's so cool.
Why?
Freaking ring light.
Yeah. This guy sounds like para sa loob kasi it's very dark kasi it's sobrang dark. So, definitely nakaupo lang kami ngayon.
We're just sitting down
and we're gonna play
bottle flip.
Hey.
Alright, let's do this.
What? What? This is insane! Mind blown!
I think it's bad again.
No!
That's the ring light though.
Yeah.
Holy shit, super fans.
GoPro now. Yesterday had a phone. I wasn't prepared.
Hey! What's up, guys?
I got it.
It's Smoke. Hey! The beauty pie of the Philippines!
Bye. Bye.
Guys, may nakita akong long mountain. And it's coming. Oh, wait. Focus! Okay. Come in! Oh! Game camera! Hey!
Kaya ng camera mo. Okay, that's it.
Vlogception! Yep! Yes, baby! It's vlog. Hey! Dab for me! Dab! Hey! Dab! Hey! Dab! Dab for me again, bro! You're being snubbed! Angelo's being snubbed! Crush the Angelo selection!
Oh my God.
Crush the Angelo selection, Rodriguez!
Angelo and Rusty Martin.
Crush the Angelo selection!
Si Samantha Calian.
Crush the Angelo!
Si Samantha Calian.
Crush the Angelo selection, Rodriguez!
Calian.
Woo! Oh my God! Okay, ship them! Ship! Ship! Lexi! So yan, dito kami ngayon sa labas ng venue. Kasi sobrang nakapagod na dun sa loob. Nakatayo lang, tapos nakaupo, tapos nakatayo, tapos nakaupo. Eh, 7 o'clock po yung main show. So, better rest first. Okay. You! Are you You're still good. Malapit na! Malapit na!
Wala pa!
Malapit na mag 7 o'clock!
Basta ako! Wala pa 7 o'clock!
Ah! No! Kaya pa rin mainam! Kaya pa! Eh! I mean, I can kaya mo TV! What's up? Malapit na ako! Malapit na! Ha? Wala na! Mabuha! Mabuha ulit! Mali yan! Oh my God! One boy! 3 hours! Tama ba? Ay, high school! High school! Wala yun! Ah! Si Eric, lagi yan nagko-comment sa video ko! Lagi nyo na una! Hey, 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 hey!
Contestants that we've handpicked at the festival. All right?
your roommate back and forth. We ain't never getting older.
Let's go! So yeah, nalobat ako. And it's now 11:45. Yesterday was so fun. As in, literally, yung voice ko ako, sobrang iba ngayon kasi namalat talaga ako kasi sobrang sigaw ko na sigaw sa mga YouTube creators na pumunta doon. By the way, thank you kay Angelo for the win kasi halos siya yung kasama ko buong afternoon nung hindi pa nag-start yung main show. And then nung nag-start na yung main show, sobrang saya talaga. So, oh my god. Ay, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na yun. Sorry if naputol and ang weird kasi ang hirap mag-vlog kapag nag-enjoy ka lang. So, ayun. Sa mga na-meet ko dun sa FanFest, nice meeting you and I hope to see you soon. And thank you sa mga nagpa-picture. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Konti na lang, 2K na tayo. Siguro 100 na lang yata. And always remember to follow your dreams, and if you dream it, you can do it. Bye!
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.